Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a swap with Joyce of Lovethatpaper215. She had posted some ATCs that she made. She made some with music, coffee, shoes, snowmen. I think that was all of them. And what she did was she had a first come, first serve, whoever signed up first on the list got to get the extra ATCs that she made, and she would swap with you with the same theme. So I think I was the last one. She had two left. When I was watching the video, one was a shoe one and one was a coffee theme, so we agreed to do a swap, me making the same thing. And I'm filming this on my cell phone, so hopefully it won't be too shaky. So the first one I did was a shoe one, and I used two dyes by Crafter's Companion. They're fabulous. And the shoe. So for the first one, I made two of everything because I like to keep my ATCs, a collection of ATCs that I've made. So I made her one and I made me one. The first one that I made, again, I'm doing this with one hand. And of course, you can't do anything with one hand when you're trying to. So here it is. And sorry about the lighting, it's nighttime. Anyway, so this one I embossed it with an embossing folder, Chic. I believe it was I'm not sure if that was a Doris or Cutterbug embossing folder, but it was called Chic. And then I also cut out the Fabulous and the shoe from the Crafter's Companion, and I put some bling in the little diamond sections of it and just went around it with a Deco Gold pen. And so I made two, one for me and one for her. And I will put my label on the back and date it as one of two. And then the second one, Mr. Snowman, I just used a recollection stamp and die set. I think this was last year. And then I used this old stamp set that I got from Tuesday morning. I believe it was Hampton Arts, and this is the stamped out sentiments. I really want to use this one right here that says, I don't have a problem with caffeine. I have a problem without caffeine. But it was too big. So I don't do mornings until I've had my coffee. And of course, you know, snowman would melt. I just put some washi down the bottom that says hello, some bling for its buttons. And I stamped it with pigment ink, so I hadn't planned on coloring it. And then I used a Marvy marker pen because I didn't think it would make it bleed since it wasn't archival ink. And I just colored in the hat. And then I used actually a Martha Stewart. I don't know if you can tell it, but his nose is actually orange. Doesn't look like it, but it's a Martha Stewart glitter pen. And colored his nose. You probably can't see the sheen on it, but anyway, so that's how I colored them in. But I basically want to keep them white, just stamped in the background, the little swirl and that sentiment. And that paper comes from, I think it's called Hot Cocoa, one of the 6x6 paper pads. And so I just made two of those as well, one for her and one for me. And so I'm going to put her link below to her channel. Check her out. Again, that's his Joyce channel for Lovethatpaper215. And maybe next time she does something, you get a chance to swap with her. And of course, these are ATCs. These are 2.5 by 3.5. These are the same size that would fit in your pocket letter, the same size as a deck of cards. And they're great to alter and to make whatever type of theme you like. Anyway, thanks for liking and subscribing and commenting. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. Bye-bye.